The tools you'll require to build your cabinetry and install your horizontal bed are a power drill, and with that drill, you'll need a 3.5-inch long and a 6-inch long No. 2 Robertson drill bit for connecting the front kick brackets and also a variety of other steps, including connecting the frame to the front panels. You'll need a No. 2 Phillips drill bit for mounting the easy level mechanisms. And you'll need a 3/16 drill bit, and this is used to drill in the handles on the front panel. Now for those of you assembling a single twin and a double full horizontal Murphy wall bed, you'll require a 5/16 drill bit made specifically for drilling into metal when installing the side tilt arm lock. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to screw in the Rafix bolts and secure the Rafix fittings. You'll need a Robertson screwdriver in order to adjust the easy level mechanisms, and a flathead screwdriver, which is used for the bolts on the lift mechanisms and the mechanism covers. You'll need a 1/4-inch Allen key for installing bolt No. 1 onto the frame. You'll need a 10mm wrench. This is used for screwing in the crossbar to the legs. You'll need a 3/8-inch wrench or socket wrench, which is used to secure the corner brackets in the frame. You'll also need a 1/2-inch wrench or a 1/2-inch socket wrench, which is used to tighten the bolts on the mechanism. You'll need a set of pump pliers to help attach the springs to the mechanism, a set of needle nose pliers, which will be used to clip off the ends of the breakaway screws for the front handles. You'll need a stud finder for locating structural members when attaching the cabinet to the wall, a tape measure and a ruler to make sure things are aligned and squared properly, and a pencil to mark down the location of the studs and other measurements. You'll need 6 quarters to act as spacers for the 4 front panels during assembly, and painter's tape to temporarily hold the face panels in place. You'll need a rubber mallet to hammer in the Rafix fittings, and finally, a 24-inch level for checking if the cabinet is level. Also, it is a good idea to have moving blankets or sheets of cardboard to protect the face panels and your floors during assembly.